Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change your eBay username. Let's get started. First of all, open your eBay app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Now tap on My eBay in bottom left. This will open your account and here you can see your username over here. Tap on it. Now tap on Edit Profile. And over here you can see an option for Change Username. Tap on Change Username. I use the passkey over here. And over here you will be prompted to enter your new username. Tap on it. Keep new username over here. Once done, tap on Save. Now let's sign in again. Tap on Sign In. I'm directly using my Google account to sign in. Tap on Passkey. Now let's check it out new username. For that, tap on My eBay in bottom left. And here it is. You have successfully changed your eBay username. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.